Hello everybody, I hope you're okay. Today we're going to be going over this phenomena. So we've got low light. Take a picture of this here. Now we'll take it into the so-called grading. And this piece here. So now we'll have a look at the bigger picture. That's why it's taking long to export. 3000 pixels resolution. So now we shall jump into it. Let's have a look. Oh, you see there, that's them there, that's it. And that's another one there. We've got some marks there and some from muck and dirt from over time, but I mean, that's a clear one. We'll have a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Well, I don't know if you see what I'm seeing. Let's have a look, let's get rid of that. It's a bright now, we see. There's definitely a face there. Look at that. And there you go. Looks like something to me, that. So, we said we'd have a closer look. So, let's do that. I think this looks unusual, so let's have a closer look at this. Look at that. See, we just need to darken the shades there where it's gone lighter. I think we need to have a close look at that. It looks interesting, that. I mean, we're talking really small there. But I mean, there's nothing this size or anything what reflects anything like this. Let's get rid of some red. That's the spirit there. And then it is photonic anti there. Yeah, you start reducing shades and gamma there. It looks like there's a tinting background. But that's on a complete different colour channel. In fact, let's go and have a look down there. So that'll look like some kind of unicorn. Let's go have a look what's down here. It's tiny little point. What is it? Let's go zoom in. The equipment allows us to zoom in, so let's see. There's definitely a spirit there. Let's have a look here. What's going on here? Let's colour grade it and have a look. Oh dear. That's what happens when you're just using your fingertips on the mobile phone screen. Now that is interesting. We're getting into nano spectrum here. Nano light spectrum. But I mean, all this is happening in that glass. Well, that looks like something from Indiana Jones, that. Let's zoom in and have a look. What's going on? So, whatever that is, shape monster. We got this here. I'll do one more of these, because I need to go. Doing that one. You see, phones encoded them into one channel, which is cutting them back up into separate channels for us to see. I think that's pretty plain. It's unusual. So we've got something there. Looks like a little teddy bear. Somebody here powered by this low light emitting diode. And possibly some biophotonic emitting diodes around. But yeah, looks unusual, to say the least. Just a bit of colour grading, because these things are really small. So we've got that in there. Look at that one. It's like a zoo, an animal zoo, photonic creatures. So yeah, that's right down there. Inside that. And it looks like there's plenty more. So I hope you liked that one, and take care. Thank you for watching. See you.